magnitude comparator is nothing but it is also a combinational circuit. It is also a combinational circuit. So here a magnitude compares two values. Either it determines whether the value is greater than or less than or equal to. So here magnitude comparator is a circuit. It is a combinational circuit that compares two numbers A and B and determines their related magnitude, whether it is greater than or less than or equal to. So the circuit for comparing two-bit numbers, it has how many entries are there means 2 power 2 into n. So the circuit for comparing two n-bit numbers, it has 2 power 2 into n entries will be required. 2 power 2 into n. A circuit for comparing two n-bit numbers, it will, how many entries are there? 2 power 2 into n combinations entries will occur. For example, we have to take n is equal to 3. How many entries are there? So 2 power 2 into 3. That is 2 into 3 is nothing but 6. 2 power 6 is nothing but how many combinations? 2 power 6. Therefore, 64
64.
combinations. So here we will take the magnitude comparator. That is, here you have to
64.
compare two values, that is A, B. So this is a n-bit digital comparator. So you have to performing is less than or equal to or greater than. So in this concept, 1-bit magnitude comparator. 1-bit magnitude comparator. So here 1 bit. So that is nothing but n is nothing but 1 bit. So 2 power 2 into n. So how many entries are there? 2 power 2 into n.
4.
4. So here
4.
4.
the values are 4 entries. So 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. So output values we have to assume that A is less than B, A equal to B, A is greater than B. We will treat it as Y1, Y2, Y3. 0 is less than 0. Condition is true or false? False. So then 0. Next, 0 is less than 1. Condition is true. Then its value will becoming 1. Next, 1 is less than 0. Condition is false. Make it as 0. 1 is less than 1. Condition is false. Make it as 0. Okay. Next, Y2. That is A equal to B. Y2 is nothing but A equal to B. Here,
True.
0 is equal to 0. Condition is true or false?
True.
True. So we will make it as 1. And 0 is equal to 1. Condition is
False.
false. Right. So we will make it as 0. 1 is equal to 0. Condition is false. We will make it
False.
as 0. And 1 is equal to 1. Condition is true. So make it as 1. So if the condition is true, the output will be 1. Otherwise, we will put the 0. And A is greater than B. That is 0 is greater than 0. Condition is false. We make it as
False.
0. And 0 is greater than 1. Condition is false. We will make it as 0. And 1 is greater than 0. Condition is true. We will make it as 1. 1 is greater than 1. Condition is false. We will make it as 0. So first you have to find out how many entries are there for 1-bit comparator or 2-bit comparator or 3-bit comparator. So for 1 bit comparator, how many entries is nothing but 2 power 2 into n. That is 2
4.
power 2 into 1, 4 combinations here. So later, after getting these two tables, we will construct the K-maps for each and every output. Which K variable K-map it will require? 2 variable,
4
or 3 variable, or 4 variable?
2 variable.
2 variable. So ఎందుకంటే 2 power 2 into
4
1 is nothing but 2. So here see first y1. So at the only one place only we have to 1. So only one entry, that is nothing but y1 is equal to a bar b. Y1 is equal to a bar b. And see y2. Y2 is nothing but there are at two places the 1 is there, at 0, at 3. At 0, at 3. So there is no pair or possibility, and also there is no quad possibility. Then we will write the single entries, that is nothing but one is a bar b bar, another one is ab. One is a bar b bar, another one is ab. And the next y3, that is nothing but a is greater than b. There is only one, that is nothing but 2 only. So here we have to place only one, that is a b bar. After getting the Boolean expressions, we will draw the logic diagram, that is combinational circuit. So this is the 1 bit comparator. So at the y1 we got the Boolean expression a bar b. At y2 a bar b bar plus ab. At y3 ab bar. These values we got the Boolean expression from the truth table. And also that truth table values we will convert the K-map. By using the K-maps we got the values, these Boolean expressions. By using these Boolean expressions we will construct logic diagram like this. See y1 is nothing but a is less than b, that is a bar b. So a bar and b. So here a value pass చేస్తున్నారు at the final. Here we have to connect the NOT gate. Here a bar b. And b value pass చేస్తున్నారు. So that is y2. So y2 is nothing but a bar b bar plus ab. So a bar, next here we will get the value b bar. So next ఇక్కడ 2 AND gates, that is a bar b bar plus ab. And next AND gate is nothing but direct a value and direct b value. These two AND gate output values are connected to the inputs to the OR gate, that is y2 is equal to a bar b bar plus ab. And y3 ab bar, that is a is greater than b. We have to connect the values. One is a, another one is b bar connection, and we will get this output expression. So assume that a value is 2 and b value is 3. A value is 2 and b value is 3. But here only 1 bit comparator only. We have to pass that values. So a value 1, b value 0. A value 1, b value 0. So 1 is greater than 0. Condition is true or false. 1 is greater than 0. Or 1 is less than 0.
True.
1 is less than 0. False. 1 is equal to 0. False. So here the a value is 1.
False.
B value is 0. A value 1. So 1 ఇక్కడ not get ఏమవుతుంది 1 becoming a 0. And B value 0. So 0 0. So here what is the output value? 0. Right? A value 1. B value 0. Is it clear? A value 1, B value 0. So you have to pass the value A as 1, B as 0. So here not get one value complemented to here, that is it will becoming a 0. Here 0, here 0. What is the output of this AND gate? 0. So y1 is nothing but 0. What is the value y1 here? I will trace out one simple example, that is 1-bit comparator. Y1 value becoming a 0. And there those inputs are passed to this here. Here 0. Here also 0 B value, but it is a complemented 1. 0 into 1, 0. So 0 into 0, anything, automatically one AND gate, we have to find out automatically. If it is 0 means automatically the result value was 0. Here also 0. So next here A value is 1, B value is 0. So 0, 0, 0. So we have to pass these outputs or inputs to the OR gate. Here what is the A equal to B value? That is Y2 value 0. So Y2 also 0. And the next here we have to pass the A value, that is 1, and B value here 0, but here complemented, that is 1. 1 into 1, 1. So here the output value is 1. And see here, so y1 we got the value 0, y2 we got the value 0, but y3 is nothing but 1. And the condition is true, that is A value 1 is null, B value 0. So 1 is greater than 0. Condition is true. So whenever the value becoming a true, there it will represent the 1. So see here. So we got the value y1 0. So y A is value 1, B is value 0. So 1 is less than 0. Condition is false. That's why here the value, we got the value y1 is equal to 0. Next here we got the value y2 is equal to 0. So A value 1, B value 0. 1 is equal to 0. Condition is false. That's why we got the value here y2 value also 0. So we got the value y3 is equal to 1. See condition here 1, A value 1, B value 0. 1 is greater than 0. Condition is true or false? True. So here we got the value y3 is equal to 1. So this is the magnitude comparator. Ante we have to pass the values. మీరు ఒక పైథాన్ ప్రోగ్రామింగ్ రాశారు, that is only 2 bits, 1 at 0. So you give the values A value 1, B value 0. So finally it will check the all the conditions. So it will be represent the magnitude is greater than. ఎలా find out చేస్తుందంటే based on these conditions only. Is it clear? 1-bit comparator, everyone? Hello? Everyone has to clear. Is there is any doubts regarding 1-bit comparator? Hello? Hello? Is there is any doubt? Please respond.
No doubt.
Next. This is the 2-bit comparator. So in the month we will discuss only 1-bit comparator. Here the 2-bit comparator. So here we will pass the n bit is nothing but 2 bits. Now already I told you 2 power 2 into n. N is nothing but n bit representation. Here what is the n value here?
2.
2. So 2 into 2, that is 4. 2 power 4, how many combinations?
16.
16 combinations. So for 2-bit comparator, we have to, how many entries are there? 16 entries. So, so for 2-bit comparator, we have to, how many entries are there? 2 power 2 into n. So 2 power 2 into n is nothing but 2 power 2 into 2. So 2 power 4, 2 power 4 is nothing but it will require totally how many values? 16 entries. So here A bit is also there, B bit also there. For A, we have to A0, A1. ఎందుకంటే 2 bits. A value we will represent the 2 bit. B value also represent the 2 bits. So there are 2-bit comparators. So 2 power into 2 power 2 into n. So there are 4 totally 16. The output value same as y1, y2, y3. That is A is less than B, A is equal to B, and A is greater than B. These are the outputs. Then see here we have to check the less than, greater than, and equal to. So if A1 is equal to 1 and B1, ante we have to checking these values only. A1 to B1, A0 to B0. So here A1 is the first you have to assume that if we analyze A1 is 1 and B1 is 0. A1 is 1 and B1 is 0. So A is greater than B. So 1 is greater than 0. 1 is greater than 0. Condition is true. So అప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది A1 B1 is nothing but 1. And if A0 is equal to 0 and B0 is equal to 0, 0 is greater than 1, condition is false. Then we have to represent the values A1, that is A0 is equal to 0. So here, if A1 and B1 are same, if A1 and B1 are same, that is A1 is B1 is equal to 1. If A1 and B1 are same, A1 B1 is equal to 1. Or if A1 B1 is equal to 0 and A0 is equal to 1, B0 is equal to 0. A0 is equal to 1, B0 is equal to 0. So first we have to see here. This is the value A1 A0, B1 B0. So how these values we are getting means already we know that 2 power 4, that is 16 combinations from 0 to 15 values. From 0 to 15, that is 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, up to from 0 to last value 15. All are ones. These are the input combinations. So next we coming to the here 0, y1 is nothing but A is less than B. A is less than B. That is 0 is less than 0. Condition is true or false? False. So we are getting the value 0. And assume that 0, 0 is nothing but 0. So మీకు direct గా shortcut చెప్తున్నాను. So 0, 0 value is nothing but 0. 0, 1 value is nothing but 1. So 0 is less than 1. Condition is true or false? True. That is the value is nothing but 1. and 0 0. 0 0 is nothing but 0 and 1 0 is nothing but 2. 0 is less than 2. Condition is true or false? So, sorry. Condition is true or false? True. So we make it represent as 1 only. And next, 0 0 is nothing but 0. B value 1 1 is nothing but 3. 0 is less than 3. Condition is true. So here we have to place the value 1 only. And 0 1, that is A value is 1, B value is 0. 1 is less than 0. Condition is false. We have to place that value as 0. And here 0 1, that is 1, 0 1, that is 1. So 1 is less than 1. Condition is true or false? False. So we make it as 0. A value, that is 0 1, that is 1, 1 0, that is 2. B value. So 1 is less than 2. Condition is true. So we have to place 1. In this way, we have to make the values in the output like this only. And here there is a shortcut, that is A0, A1 represent the values for A, B1, B0 value represent for B. So we will convert it into the our assumption binary to decimal, that is 0 1 is nothing but 1, 1 0 is nothing but 2. We have to convert that values to either less than, greater than, or equal to. If it is A is less than B, that condition is true, means the output table we have to represent 1, otherwise 0. In same as A equal to B and A is greater than B also. So like this only, here we have to assign the statement. If A1 is equal to 1, B1 is equal to 1, and A0 is equal to 0, B0 is equal to 1, then A is less than B. Then A is less than B. So, and A1, B1 is equal to 0, and A0 is equal to 0, B0 is equal to 1. Then it is also A is less than B. So little bit confused couple. This is the shortcut I told you. That is 0 to 0. That is A1, A0 is 0, 0 is nothing but 0. B1, B0. B value is also 0. So 0 is less than 0. Condition is true. So false. Then we make it as a 0. Is it clear the truth table? How we got the outputs here? Is it clear? Can anyone respond? Is there is any doubts regarding this truth table? 2-bit comparator. Then finally we draw the truth table. From the truth table we draw the Boolean expression, that is K map. So how many K variable K map it will require? 2 into n is nothing but 2 into 2, that is 4 variable K map. So we have to draw the 4 variable K map. So in previous, see here, y1 values. Where are the ones are there? Where ones are there? 1, 2, 3, next 6, 7, next 11. So these places we will place ones. And first we have to find out whether this is a oct or quad possibility or pair. If there is no possibility, single term is there, we will write that term only. So see here, there are quad possibility and here paired possibility. Here single one, then adjacent here one. So here also paired possibility. So after mapping, the value for y1 is equal to a1, a bar, a naught bar, and b naught. So I will like the terms here a1, a naught, b1, b naught. You have to write a naught, a1 also, b naught, b1 also. So I write here A1 A0 and B1 B0. For this, I got that expression, that Boolean expression A1 dot, sorry, A1 dot dash B A0 bar and B0 plus A1 B1 bar plus A0 B1 bar into B0. We go find out the A is less than B, that is Y1, and same as K map for A is equal to B. So in A is equal to B, where are ones are there? 0, next 5, next 1 0 1 0 10, 15. So only 1 2 3 4 ones are only. So on 4 ones there is no mapping here. So we will write indirectly that individual terms. So here we will write that individual terms, 4 terms. The next last one, A is greater than B. So in A is greater than B means, so only we have to place at 4, next 8, 9, 12, 13, 14. So there only we have to place ones and we have to map that one. So here quad possibility and pay. Here also adjacent cells we have to pay that values. So finally we got the output. Y3 is equal to A0 B1 dash B0 dash and A1 B1 bar and A1 A0 B0 bar. This is the output for that expression. That is A is greater than B. And finally we got the outputs here. So from these output expressions, we will solve the A is less than B, A is equal to B, A is greater than B. So A is equal to B is there. So we are getting the so much Boolean expression. We have to reduce that Boolean expression. So y2 is equal to, finally we solve that A1 exclusive B1, A0 exclusive B0. So here that's why we will draw the here exclusive OR gate, NOR gates. A1 exclusive NOR B1, A0 exclusive NOR B0. So this way we construct the diagrams. So here also we have to pass the values. Here 2-bit comparator. Suppose you have to pass the value, A value is 3, B value is 3. A value is 3 and B value is 3. We know both numbers are equal. So and also this is our view. So we can implement same as this program in Python or C language or any language. So we can write the code for that values that is less than, greater than, or equal to. But in system point of view, it will convert the totally zeros and ones. It will check where it will check means by using the magnitude comparator. So here A value is assume that 3 and B value assume that 3. So here which bit comparator? 2-bit comparator, and A1 value 1 and A0 value also 1. B1 value 1 and B0 value also 1. So here this diagram we will make it as 1 at only A is equal to B and remaining values are A is less than B and A is greater than B, or make it as a 0. See, let us discuss. Here A1 1, A0 1, B1 1, B0 1. Why? Because A value is 3 and B value is 3. So 3 value is nothing but in 2-bit representation 1 1. Is it clear? So let's here A1, that is one passes number here A1 dash, A0 dash and B0. So A1 complemented, that is 0 here. Here also 0. And B naught value is 1. So, sorry. So all are zeros. Here we will get the connections. A1, A naught dash, and B naught also, it will be B naught complemented. So A1, A naught and B naught complemented. So finally here, so the output will be 0. And here also A1 dash and B1. So A1 is nothing but A1 dash is nothing but A1 complemented is nothing but 0, and B1 is next. Here we will see. So A is equal to 1 and B1 is equal to 1. A1 is equal to 1 and B1 is equal to 1. So one exclusive one, that is a one exclusive NOR one. ఇక్కడ ఏమవుతుంది exclusive NOR operation. What is the exclusive NOR operation? If both inputs are same, the output will be 1. If both inputs are same, the output will be 1. So here also 1, here also 1. So the output of this gate is 1. Here A naught value is 1 and here B naught value is also 1. So 1 exclusion NOR 1 is nothing but 1. So 1 into 1, 1. So A is equal to B dagra, we got the value 1. And so apply that here also A naught value 1. Here B1 complemented, that is 0. So 1 into 0, anything 0. So here 0. And here A1 value is 1. A naught value is also 1. But B naught complemented. So here 0. So 1 into 0, here 0. And A1 and B1 dash. So B1 also 1. It is complemented is 0. So 1 into 0, 0. So all are zeros. We will go the input for this OR gate. So 0 plus 0 plus 0. Here also 0. So see, we will give the values. A is equal to 3, B is equal to 3. Both are equal. So for that only A is equal to B. At this statement only we got the value as 1. Remaining final outputs we got the 0. So that's why 3 is equal to 3. So that is A is equal to B. Like this, we have to see this truth table. See, when A value is nothing but 3, that is 1, 1, 1. B value is nothing but 3, 1, 1, 1. So, here A is less than B, that is 0, we got that. And A is equal to B. There only by using logic circuit diagram, we got only 1. And here A is greater than